Good afternoon, WRCC fans, and this is about the 5th attempt of filming this car today through phone calls and one thing and another. Anyway, we're finally on with it. So, I've been kicked out of where we usually do them. We're doing an outsidey type video today, partly because the workshop's really busy, really full, really noisy. It's really quiet out here and it's really sunny out here, so as well as soaking up some sunshine, I've brought this particular car out here to showcase its lovely shiny new paint. It is a full build Morris Minor Traveller, registered it was first or declared new, should I say. Declared, it's an ex-MOD car, so declared new in 1969. So the car is a 1969 car. It was manufactured in 1969, but it was registered after, so it's actually on an S-Reg because it is an ex-MOD car. It's just been fully rebuilt, fresh from the workshop, so it's one of those videos where new is used a lot. So new paint, new wings, new ash frame, new chrome, new trims, new rubbers, new tyres, full new interior, reconditioned engine, reconditioned wheels. So new. All the brakes are new, wiring loom's new. It's basically a turnkey as new car, or as new as a car as you're going to get without buying one that's been in a been in storage since 1971. So lovely panel fit on it, as you can see. Lovely paint. I won't describe the paint as perfect, I won't describe the wood as perfect, but they're as close as you're going to get without describing them as perfect, basically. Right, go and have a look inside. So full new interior kit fitted, new insulation under the carpets, as you can see, new seats. Use the P word for perfect, because they are pretty much perfect. They're as new, they are new. New carpets, bakelite steering wheels in good order, dash is all nice and clean and painted nicely. The parcel shelf's all good, showing 13,375 miles. New headlining fitted. New rear cards, new seat covers. So everything in the cockpit's new. Runs and drives nicely. As I say, the brakes are all nice and new. We'll have a look in the engine bay. So nothing negative to report inside the cab. Servo fitted in there, new brake lines, as I said, new wiring loom, reconditioned engine, alternator fitted as well. Runs and drives really nicely. Obviously comes with 12-month MOT, fully serviced. It is on at 24,495. So it is reassuringly expensive in this case. I'll have a look in here for you. So new boot liner, let's say new ladder rail down there, new everything, new interior trims, nice and clean and new in the aperture. Paintwork nice, clean, shiny, no scratches there in the load area. Spare wheel compartment. So as I said, 24,495, which is what you'd expect for a brand spanking new Traveller from us. Well, if not a little bit more. If you are interested, we obviously take part exchange on classic cars and motorbikes, especially Morris Minors. So if you're fancying upgrading or chopping your Morris Minor in, give us a call. Our telephone number is not out here, so our telephone number is 01422881221. Speak to Dan in sales, that's me. You can WhatsApp us now on 07830291253. Email inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk. Obviously this video is going to drop on YouTube and a social media and be on the website, and the car will be on our website www.westridingclassics.co.uk. But if you're wanting something that's really nice, like new, something that you don't have to worry about, something that you can take to shows and absolutely knock people out of the park with it, then this Traveller is the one for you. 24,495. Give us a bell. again, 01422 881 221. Option 1, speak to Dan in sales. That's me. I'll answer any questions you've got. But it is an absolute beauty, as you can see. Lovely quality of finish, lovely panel fit, lovely paint, lovely everything about it, really. I love it. I'm sure you will if you come and look at it. Get yourself up to Halifax. We can ship nationwide, we can ship worldwide, we can convert it to left-hand drive should you want, and we can add any further modifications that you want on it as well. So be quick guys, because it's a beauty. Cheers.